Hi you guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Bhuvneshwari Pari. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified with every new video of mine. So guys, let's start with today's video. So guys, Diwali is coming ahead and घर की सफाई के साथ we need to do the सफाई of us as well. So by सफाई of us, what I mean is to clean ourselves and to maintain a healthy lifestyle and all of that. So guys, today's video is a review video of Moha. So Moha is a herbal brand and they have such nice variety of products. You can check out their products. I will be mentioning the link in the description below and you can go ahead to the site and can check it. So Moha products are so nice and they are made of herbal products. As I have said you earlier, they have sent me some of the products and I want to try it out. I have already tried most of the products for a couple of days and then I'm here to review you, and these review will be totally honest and not biased. So let's start with today's video. So the first product that I will be talking and showing you guys is the Moha Herbal Scrub, and this scrub has such beautiful ingredients like walnut, orange peel, nutmeg, olive, rose and whatnot guys. So now if you don't know, orange peel also helps us in brightening the complexion of our face. Walnut helps in clearing out deeply from the pores, and rose is such a nice ingredient for refreshment and everything. So this product is such a nice one to remove all the dead skin cells, because even in winter we get those dead skin cells, and we have to take care of our skin even more during the festival seasons. Am I right? So I'm taking the scrub on my palm and I will just gently scrub my face. Don't be harsh guys, and you can scrub it for 2 to 3 minutes, and you can do this twice a week or maybe thrice a week, not more than that. And this product is so gentle and the exfoliants are gentle. Next product I have is this food care cream. तो जैसे ही दिवाली आती है, घर की साफ सफाई में, शॉपिंग में इतना हम लोग भाग दौड़ करते हैं कि एड़िया फट जाती है, या तो फिर बिकॉज ऑफ विंटर सीजन वी गेट दोज ड्राई स्किन, cracked skin. So no more cracky, dry, patchy skin with Moha. And this food care cream has papaya, aloe and peppermint. Papaya is so good for soothing and making your skin plumpy, and aloe we all know the benefits of aloe. So I will be again showing you how I like to use this product. I'm taking little bit of the food care cream and I'm just applying it and massaging it into my feet to have a very nice and moisturized feet. You can apply it daily, at night or in the morning as well to your feet, and take care of them. The next thing I have is this nail care cream, and so this one has almond oil and flaxseed oil like in priority. So these oils will help you in storing your cuticles and making them soft and gentle, because during winter we tend to like get such harsh skin, but no more with Moha skincare. Taking little bit of the nail care cream, you just need a peanut size of this cream to apply it to your fingers. Also you can apply it to your nails and your palm and your hand, no worries. And I'm just massaging it well nicely to my fingers to have nice and healthy glossy nails. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. With this, I have to bid you a bye bye, and I will see you in my next video. Tata.